Get in, girls, we're going to CultureCon. Okay, girls, so today is the first day of CultureCon and we are in Jersey, and we are going to be taking the train over to New York a little bit this morning. We have one room that we have deemed the dressing room, and then we have another room that we're sleeping in. Okay, honey. So in the dressing room we have our clothes laid out for the day, and I'm about to get ready to do makeup and like all that stuff, get myself together, and then from there I'm going to get dressed. So crazy, I ordered some stuff from Fashion Nova. It didn't come, and it was supposed to complement like my pieces that I already had. So I had to go in my closet and like figure stuff out, and I'm just hoping once my makeup and everything is done we will be all together. I also had like a mini panic attack yesterday because I wanted to do this style with like clip-ins, and I'm good for like doing my own hair because I think that I can do my own hair pretty well. But girl, when I say I was looking a hot mess, the clip-ins was not doing it, and so I was just like whatever. So yeah, we have a little braided bun with a little spiky situation happening, and then I'm going to get my hair done Friday because I leave for LA to see my boo on Saturday. So yes, girls, we're going to CultureCon. It should be such a great experience. It's Destiny's, I think she said her second or third time. No, it's her, it gotta be maybe her second or third time because she's already been, but it'll be my first time and I'm so excited. We just don't know who we're gonna see, you know what I'm saying? But I'm very excited to be in New York. You know, I live and I love New York so bad, and I'm from Jersey, so you know how I feel about New York. If you know me, you know how I feel about New York. So let's get this day started. Let's get dressed, let's do makeup, let's transform so we can go to CultureCon. She's ready for CultureCon. She's looking cute. I did my makeup a little bit dramatic today because that's just how I was feeling. Like I want to give drama. The earrings are so adorable. I got these from Fashion Nova. I feel like my fit came together, even though it's not the fit I intended to wear, but she came together, and I feel like she's tea. We got the boots, we got the jorts, we got the leather vest, and we got like a graphic tee. And so yeah, we are headed to New York for CultureCon. Let's go. We're on our way to CultureCon. It is currently 11:18 and CultureCon started at 8:30, but who was getting there at 8:30? Not us.
No ma'am.
No. But we're on our way, so we'll be there probably by like noon-ish, you know what I'm saying? And so we're gonna get us some food because we're hungry. We're gonna catch a vibe, so yeah. Orange, New Jersey, where I'm from, you know what I'm saying? And we are going to CultureCon day 2, not 4, 2, and we're gonna see what it gives today. Today we're gonna give it a fresh new perspective. We looking real cute. Okay, let me do a little OOTD. Okay, I got my tabbies on with my these really cute jeans that I got from Fashion Nova. I think they're like super chic, you know what I'm saying? This top is from ASOS, very cute, very, you know, 1-2. And this bag is also from ASOS. I think it just makes it, the outfit fun, and then the bun, you know, it's just giving very, very like, she's an it girl. So, yeah, let me show my friend.
Wait, I'm not ready.
Yeah, show my friend.
Hey y'all, my top is from Fashion Nova, my skirt's from Zara, boots are from Ross, okay? Girly on a budget, and then my bag is from Zara as well.
Oh, you is cute, friend. The girls love getting dressed up and going out and having a good time. It's a little dilly-dallying.
Hey y'all.
Yeah.
I'm just real casual, just sitting in the Uber.
Yeah.
But we're excited for today.
We are.
We're gonna just clock into CultureCon real quick just to say we made it, and then after that is giving dilly dally lollygag.
Literally.
Yeah.
Because that's what the girls want to do. We want matcha, we want vibes, we want the things. All that other stuff.
We're gonna get it.
All that other stuff.
For the bird.
Talked at. People want to feel like they're as close to you as possible. So I feel like stripping away all of that, as much as I am the diva, we know I'm the diva.
She is just from New York.
I'm sorry that you seem to be confused. He belongs to me.
你的音乐好好听。